Welcome to Aram Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to install Google Chrome on your new Windows PC or installation. First, start by going to a browser. Most likely, this will be Microsoft Edge. Type Google Chrome in the search bar. Next, click on the Google Chrome browser search result. Once on the Chrome website, click the Download Chrome button. Chrome will automatically download the appropriate installer for your Windows machine. Your browser may warn you that Chrome can harm your device. Don't worry, this is a false alarm, so click Keep. Then open the downloaded file. The installer window will pop up. The installation may take anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Once installed, you will be greeted with a welcome window. If you want to sign in to Chrome with your Google account, click the blue Sign In button. If you prefer not to sign in, click the Don't Sign In button. In this example, I will sign in. Once signed in, click the Yes, I'm In button. You may see a window or notice that says Google Chrome isn't your default browser. Click Set as Default. A settings window will pop up. Click the Set Default button next to Make Google Chrome your default browser. Then close the settings window. Your Google Chrome installation is complete.